Perhaps no industry acted with more negligence and recklessness than the asbestos industry, and it only takes a quick look into past asbestos litigation to see why. Major asbestos manufacturers knew as early as 1924 that their products could hurt or kill people. Several employees brought a lawsuit against John Manville, the largest asbestos manufacturer in the world. But the outcome was essentially a quiet payout in 1934 that required all parties involved to never speak of the case again. An agreement that, on top of being downright illegal today, kept the dangers of asbestos hidden for decades. Untold thousands died unnecessarily as a result. Modern asbestos litigation began in 1969, most famously with what's called the Burrell case. Clarence Burrell worked as an insulator and developed severe asbestosis as a result of exposure to insulation made by a number of asbestos companies. During subsequent lung surgery in early 1970, it was determined he no longer only had the disease asbestosis, but he'd also developed a type of cancer known as mesothelioma. After Clarence Burrell's death in June of 1970, his personal injury lawsuit became an asbestos wrongful death lawsuit brought by his loved ones. The jury in this case returned a verdict of $68,000 intended to compensate Clarence's widow for the loss of her husband. Today, every one of the half a dozen companies that were involved in the Burrell lawsuit has an asbestos trust that pays individuals who were injured by asbestos products that those companies made, and there are many more trusts beyond just those 6. As always, if you have questions about asbestos litigation or how you could apply for compensation, be sure to check out our lengthy and ever-growing catalog of video and blog resources at asbestosclaims.law and on our YouTube channel. You can be sure to contact my offices at any time you'd like for a free consultation. We won't spam you or pressure you or call you incessantly. I learned about the dangers of asbestos too late to help my family, but maybe I could help yours.